Subi's Brain Plumbing. You've tried the best, now try the rest. Leave a message, mucker.
Hello, Subi. My name's Josh. I really need your help. Can you call me back in 718-120-555? Thanks.
Alright, Dermot. Those voices should be gone in about a week or so. It's perfectly normal after removing that many episodes of Love Island. Okay? Jeremy? No. Jacob? You know who you are. Do you want to come in? Alright. You just grab a wee seat there, kid. So, tell me, what seems to be your problem?
I've been revising for weeks and nothing's sticking.
Oh, so you want me to blow away the cobwebs? Do a bit of spring cleaning?
Yeah?
Well, you've come to the right place. The first thing I am going to do is that I'm going to stick these on your forehead, okay? There we go. And Bob's your uncle. Don't panic, I'm just putting up the simulation now. By the way, I've accessed your credit card and sorted out your payment. No need to thank me. Right in a second, you'll see a virtual representation of the whole process. I don't see your test answers. You must have buried them pretty deep. So can say the basement. Right, let's see here. It says here, memory storage full. Delete memories to make room. Right. Time for a readout. Ooh, first dates. Let's have a watch at this.
No, please don't.
Are you ready for this? Okay. Ow!
Oh, it's too good. Let's see what else we have.
Alright, Josh, what's this you here? Is this. Oh my god, is this supposed to be you? What are you laughing at? He drew himself as a superhero.
Christ, but you are one awkward, Wayne. It's funny, but Worth a good laugh. Right. What are you doing? So what memories are we removing?
Preferably all the ones you just looked at.
Nah, no way. They're character forming. We don't want you leaving here as someone else. Settings. Oh, substitute options. Never seen this before. Random accent. How you feeling there, buddy?
Fine and dandy, I must admit. Wait. You know, what in tarnation have you done to my voice, fella? You better fix this faster than a jackrabbit on a sugar rush. You hear me?
Yikes. Well, on second thoughts, let's not mess with that. Undo. Wait, what's this here? Auto delete. Format memories will be removed to make room for new ones. Ah, happy days. This wee machine can do my job for me. And accept. Right, kid. Once I click this, everything will go dark for just a second, and then you will have nothing more than a slight headache.
Alright. Cheers, by the way, Subby. I feel far better already.
Hey, no bother. Sure it's my job.
You may begin.
What the? It's quitting time. It's been a long week. Time to clean out the hard drive.